Jackie, I'm so excited about the level with 3 workshop. I'm definitely coming, but I don't know yet if I'm ready to do the 6-month thing. That seems like a big investment of time, energy, money. Can I decide later? Yes, later with a caveat. So that's why this cohort, some people are signing up for the workshop, and then there's also the option to just sign up all inclusive. So, because I want to give you time, I want your nervous system to feel good about this. So, yeah, sign up for the workshop. You'll come to the 4 Saturdays. At any point from the first Saturday to the last, you can decide, hey, I'm ready. There'll be like a week or two buffer after the last workshop to finally decide. By then, the seats might all be full, but you can decide. How I used to run it is by that 4th workshop, then I open access and say, if this feels right for you, if you don't want to just be a student, you want to be a master level practitioner, you can now enroll in the full 6 months. Because so at any time you can upgrade and you're not penalized. I'll give you a code and you just put it in and it waives what you already invested. So you pay $9.95 for the workshop. It's $39.95 for the training. It would waive the $9.95. So it'd be $3,000 to start the mentorship for this cohort as early bird. Okay, so you're not penalized. I want your nervous system to feel good about it, and you can decide later. I will let you know when the spots are filling up because I like to take 12 master level students at one time. That way our weekly Ask Me Anything isn't too big and our WhatsApp isn't too crazy. So if those 12 are filling up, I will let you know, but you'll know via email. So make sure that you are getting my emails.